In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack bot. We'll walk through the setup in a simple, practical way so you can create a working bot for your Slack workspace and connect it to your local Python development environment. The overall goal here is to let your bot listen for activity, respond in channels, and do it securely during development without exposing public ports or setting up complicated HTTP tunnels. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Slack API apps page at api.slack.com/apps. Once you're there, click the Create New App button and choose the option to create it from scratch. You'll be asked to enter an app name, so type in a unique name for your bot. After that, select the Slack workspace where you want to build and test the bot. Make sure it's a workspace where you have the right permissions, then click Create App. Next, enable socket mode. This is what allows Slack to send events directly to your local machine through a secure WebSocket connection, which is especially useful while developing locally. In the app settings sidebar, click socket mode, then turn it on. Slack will prompt you to create an app level token. Give that token a recognizable label, generate it, and then copy the token that starts with the app level prefix. Store it somewhere safe, because you'll need it later and it should be kept private. After that, you need to configure the bot's permissions. In the left sidebar, go to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you reach the bot token scope section, then click Add an OAuth scope. Add the scope for reading app mentions so the bot can detect when someone tags it, and add the scope for writing chat messages so it can reply in channels. These two permissions are the foundation for a simple interactive bot. Once the scopes are added, scroll back to the top of the page and click Install to Workspace. Approve the installation, then copy the bot user OAuth token that Slack generates. Just like the app level token, this should be stored securely and never shared publicly. Now switch over to your terminal and prepare your local project folder. Create a new directory for the bot, move into it, and install the Slack Bolt library with pip. This library gives you the tools you need to connect your Python script to Slack and handle events with much less boilerplate. Starting with a clean folder is a good habit because it keeps your project organized and makes troubleshooting easier later on. Once you've completed these steps, your Slack bot's foundation is in place and your development environment is ready for the next stage.